Hey guys, I'm here with the white 3355 sewing machine, and I'm going to attempt to wind a bobbin on this. The last time I tried to wind my bobbin, all my material was going in between the bobbin and the bobbin spinner. But what you do is you're going to take your clutch, which is this, and you're going to turn it towards you, okay? And then you take your thread and you go through the two tension things, okay? And then this is your bobbin tension thing here. You get it to go through there. Alright, you come up. There, I got it in. Okay. Now, then you take this and you flip it up like that, okay? I'm going to hold this and see if it winds right. Ah, I got it going. And you just do that, and when it gets full, it's going to stop on you. Okay, but when you're done, you're going to take this down, take your bobbin off, so like that, and cut my thread, and you have to wind your clutch back up this way, going away from you for it to go back into sewing mode, okay? But anyway, that's how you wind a bobbin for a white 3355 sewing machine. This comes straight out of the manual, and I know the manuals are hard to find because before I actually found the manual, I was trying to Google for a manual or look up on YouTube or anything for a manual, and I couldn't find anything telling me how to mess with this machine or a manual, either one. So, like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, I do have the manual. Ask them below, and I will answer them as they're asked. And I will read in the manual and tell you what you need to know. And I'll see you next video.